Hey, this is Robert from Retro Car Guy 530. I'm hoping your day's a wonderful day today. This is the video I took at the Sacramento International Auto Show on Sunday, October 21st, 2018. My daughter and I were checking this out. We do this on an annual basis. I'm using my GoPro 7 with its HyperSmooth technology and TimeWarp video feature. So at the end, I'll have a time lapse of the entire car shows. Check that out at the end of the video. Hope you enjoy it, and hopefully the camera does a good job of it. Thanks for watching. The Sacramento International Auto Show is usually a fun event, but usually no major announcements of new cars are shown or made here. So what I'm doing here in the first section, showing you some of the performance-oriented vehicles that caught my eye. May not be the newest, but some may interest you as well. Second section, we're going to take a look at some fuel cell and electric-powered vehicles. They were more prominent this year. A little bit greater number of them out now, so take a look at those. Third section, we'll take a look at some car clubs that are intermixed throughout the variety of new cars. And at the end, get ready for a time warp. The GoPro Hero 7 Black feature that basically takes a time-lapse video. Probably should have had the frame rate at double what I had, but I tried to smooth that out as much as possible. So if you want to see the entire show from one end to the other in just a couple of minutes, get prepared for that at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Take a look at the cars, and thanks for coming to the Retro Car Guy 530 LLC YouTube and Instagram TV channels. Hope you enjoy it. We're nearing the end of the TimeWarp section here, or the entire video for this Sacramento International Auto Show in October 2018. Hope you enjoyed watching it. It was a lot of fun attending that show with my daughter. I do that on a regular basis, so we spent some time together, check out the cars. It's always great fun. So please come back to the Retro Car Guy 530 LLC YouTube, Instagram, TV channels, and check out the videos on Facebook, on my Facebook page as well, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube as Retro Car Guy 530. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time and you want to, please subscribe. Click that bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Please follow Retro Car Guy 530 on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for taking the time to visit the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.